morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but not here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Let's start with last night. Last night I prepared a fun meal. They were French onion grilled cheese with a side of French fries. I had fun with this little recipe. The onions, I don't do the chef's kiss very often. The onions are excellent. I mean, there was enough for the two sandwiches. So because it has some mustard and some Worcestershire and it's a little bit of sugar, with a white onion and a yellow onion. It was fun. I will post up the recipe. I changed out the Gruyere cheese for some American, but I also had the provolone. Oh, a brioche bread. Oh, excellent. Fun. Yes. It's the first time I actually used mayo instead of butter, and actually I put it on the outside and on the inside. They brown up really nice. They really do. Tonight, we're heading to the Mediterranean, at least for the entree. I am doing Mediterranean baked trout. Oh, yum. Nice, light. I'm also, the sides, I'm going to do my rice pilaf and honey glazed carrots. Let's get to it. Got some hardware. A baking dish for the trout, medium saucepan for the rice pilaf, and a smaller saucepan for the carrots. Have a couple nice trout fillets from the meat department at Bel Air. Some kosher salt, black pepper, some capers. Oops, over there, capers. Some oregano, some paprika, a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to dice up this Roma tomato. Of course, there's a little bit of garlic. Optional are the red chili flakes and some flat leaf parsley, for garnish and color. The rice pilaf is real simple. You got garlic, rice, some chicken stock. You could use veggie stock. I'll be dicing up half of this yellow onion. I add peas to mine and some butter. The carrots, good old crinkle cut carrots, butter, just a touch or two of brown sugar, and honey. So here's the goodies for tonight's meal. A big switch from what I was doing last week, which was a lot of basically stir fries. But I look forward to this this meal. I haven't had fish in quite a while. So on this Taco Tuesday, if you do Taco Tuesday, don't forget to go to your favorite taqueria. We have plenty to choose from here in Sutter County, California. So on this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.